Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Tipton. We're going to be seeing services from West Midlands Railway, London Northwestern Railway, Avanti West Coast and CrossCountry. So yeah, let's get into the video. Passing through there was 350-251 on a London Northwestern Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street. Passing through now is a cross-country service from Bristol Temple Meads to Manchester Piccadilly. That's 221-121. Passing through there was 220-014 on a cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth. And passing through now is a London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. That's 350-401 and 350-266. Passing through now is an Avanti West Coast service from Preston to London Euston. That was 391-18 and was cancelled between Edinburgh, Waverley and Preston due to a lack of train crew. Arriving now is a 1456 West Midlands Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall. And this one is 350-408. And arriving now at the same time is the 1458 West Midlands Railway service from Walsall to Wolverhampton. Not sure if we're going to be able to see 350-408 depart, but we'll find out in due course. A service bound for Wolverhampton is 350-103. Departing now is a 1458 West Midlands Railway service from Walsall to Wolverhampton. Fortunately, we've not been able to see the service for Walsall depart out because this service got in the way. But the service to Walsall did depart out 2 minutes late. Passing through now is a London Northwestern Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street. The front is 350-259. And the rear is 350-109. Passing through now is a cross-country service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. And that is 220-009. Passing through now is a London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. And that's 350,251. Passing through now is an Avanti West Coast service from London Euston to Glasgow Central. And that is 390,135. And that is going to be the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.